Good morning. Welcome to this week's episode of Running in Circles. It is 66 degrees out and 21 miles an hour wind gust. So I'm going to warm up inside before I go on my run this morning. And I wanted to just come in and share with you just a few thoughts about how exercise is part of our self-care routine. I know for me, I'm really focusing this month on my own self-care routine, and I'm going to share a lot with you this month about it. And one way you can hop in is we're going to do a 14-day challenge of self-love, and you can find the link in my bio. Meanwhile, just a little thought about how exercise can be a really great way to start your day of self-care. Because really, I love the phrase, lotion is no, let's turn it around. Motion is lotion for the body. So our bodies love to move. They just thrive on it. But it's not just good for our bodies, but it's also good for our mood. It's good for the way we view ourselves. It's just a fabulous way to start the day. So running in circles is all about making small choices every day that add up to a beautiful life, 1/4 mile at a time. So sometimes we have big goals, and just breaking them down into small actionable goals can help us to reach them. So exercise is amazing because it increases our happiness and boosts our mood. And there are just so many benefits to exercising. And you know, the days you exercise are the best days. It's like those are $1 million days. When you get up and you do your exercise, you just feel like $1 million. So I'm just here to encourage you to add exercise to your own self-care routine. You're worth it. You deserve it. And seriously, if we don't take care of ourselves, we can't take care of other people, those people we love, those people we want to serve. And so I'm here to encourage you to do that. So I'm just doing my little stretch here before I go out into the cold. Oh, brother. One thing that I love about exercising first thing in the morning is that it helps to set or calibrate your circadian rhythms. So if you have a hard time getting to sleep at night or sleeping, it may be that your circadian rhythm is off. And so getting outside, getting some sunlight into our eyes, especially this time of year, is so good for us. So those are just a few thoughts. Join the 14-day self-love challenge. And if you are not in the Nest Pretty Facebook group, head over there because I'm going to do some trainings this month on self-care, self-love, all the things, because hello, we're worth it. That's all I have for you today. And I hope you have a fantastic day. I hope you move your body. I hope you get outside and get some sun into your eyes, boost your mood, boost your enthusiasm for the day, and just enjoy it. So this is Heidi with Nest Pretty, and also with Running in Circles. I'm going to go out there and I'm going to run in circles. And that's what I have for you. So I hope you all have a fantastic day, and we'll talk soon.